gorgeous, welcome back. We're working on some soft locks today. Parted the back ear to ear, and then now I'm just going down the middle from the front to the back with a straight line. Add some shining jam to that line to make sure your part is nice and clean. Taking the soft lock, I loop it through the hair. I then go ahead and loop the hair through the box braid I made. After that, I then go ahead and take the twist of hair and then loop it through the box braid as well. Starting twisting the twisted up hair from right to left. Keep twisting until you can't twist anymore and then tie a little knot at the end. Hope you're enjoying the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can get updates to all my videos. After twisting up the hair, I'm then going in with some setting mousse for braids. After putting the setting mousse, I then go ahead and tie the hair around with a scarf.